Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another day in the market, another week. Let's go in and get it in, man. Get these trades in. Hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. Spend some time with the family, loved ones, and friends. But them days go by fast, man. Time to get it in. Donald Trump put 100% tariffs on foreign movies. So, the Netflix stock, I know that is dropping, coming on down. But like you say, the market, the day is a red day, bearish day. I mean, it's Monday. That's typical. But we're gonna get on through it, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. If y'all been trading the way I've been trading, y'all should have been seeing an increase in your dividends every month and week. For y'all that do watch the videos and duplicate my trading, you are the CEO of your portfolio. I tell you to pick the stocks you like. Like I say, man, go to the monthly and the weekly payers. A lot of stuff I'm trying to get up out of for some of these REITs that's getting beat up. But I tell you that before I even buy them. But man, you just stick to it and let that cash flow compound. Interest is real. And just keep on moving, man. We're going to get more of these dividend stocks. Gonna be a duplicate trade like the other day, but it is what it is. They still in buy range, so let's go. Let's get it. All right. HRSDN, Horizon. Gonna see whether this gonna do a dividend cut or not. This had bad earnings. Looks like it's coming back up though. But gotta take advantage, trade the market we in. 11 cents a share a month till otherwise. It's got to do what we gotta do. Good price right now to get your 1,000 shares though. All right, Horizon gonna get $3 of that. Or you can get your $5, whatever you like. If you like that stock. QYLD, still a buy at 17 and under. 17 cents a share a month. And a less volatile play. I like QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. RYLD, it's a buy at 16 and under. I already got my 1,000 shares of this, so as you can see, 1,065 shares at 15.28. I'm gonna go XYLD. Hoping QYLD can go below that $16 worth. All right, XYLD, a buy at 40 and under. It's green today, so also pays out monthly, but like a 12% yielder. OXSQ. Man, this got down to 246 today. I had some buy orders, got triggered. Trying to get my 1,000 shares of this. So I'm getting me 10 shares a day. And I like pairing this with other non-dividend payers. That's why I double up on it also. USOY, options on oil. It's at $10 and under. Dollar cost average down in this one also. Another one. All right, here we go. OPI. Good price to start a new position in it. And it's a great price to bring down your average cost. That'll be 6. So $3 will get me 10 shares. I'm guessing it'll be 9. I'll get $4 worth. That's 12 shares. Okay, $4 worth, buy 12 shares. Okay, what you doing? Okay, let's go another route. How about I hit just buying shares? Buy. Yeah, just get buying shares. 10 shares. Not 18. I meant 10. Sorry for the hold up. Need to get it at that price. All right, that's OPI. Pays like a 5% yield. That's one you can stay out of unless you need to bring down your average cost. Gonna go RC, Ready Capital. Another one taking advantage of this $5 and under mark, bringing down my average cost. Go back to dollars. All right, this one you can decide. GOGL still got a 52-week high in thinking of, well, not G. I meant to say SBLK, but since we're here, it's about $8 and under, $3 worth. Add on to my position, a nice quarterly paying yielder. This gonna be an excellent swing trade, man. This right now is your accumulation period. That's a dry bulk shipping company. Right now it's cheap. Trump got them tariffs on hold. Well, got them tariffs, so a lot of stuff not coming through the motions. So this should go back down. 15.12 is a Starbuck. 52-week high is 27.47. P ratio 5.3. Dividend yield 14.24. Definitely want to still accumulate. I like this at 17 and under. I'm going to go MetaFast. Weight loss stock. All right, back at MetaFast, 13.39. Weight loss stock. For y'all that's still in it, that didn't sell out, just lower your average cost. That's all I'm pretty much doing with it. Gonna hold it and see what happens with it. After all this nonsense, probably gonna hold it to about 2027, I want to say. ABR, definitely want to buy. Nice quarterly paying REIT. Gonna bring down that average cost there too. Check out Fiat. Inverse of Coinbase. 684. I'm at 923. $2 worth since it's not on a down day. ULTY. I reinvest the dividends every week. Think this week I got like $14. So I just basically do like $2 a day. Just lower my average cost, reinvest the dividends back in that. That's why I say you want to get your first 100 shares. AGNC, 12 cents a share a month. $8.78. Now add on to this. Be great if that can go back to around that $8 worth. That's why I say when them stocks are down around that number, man, you got to go in. ARR 16.20. 24 cents a share a month. AGNC pays 12 cents a share a month. She's like my favorite REIT. Especially when you can catch it cheap. Gonna go SDIV. Another monthly payer. 2089 at 25.12. $3 worth for that. Gonna go ORC. I got my 1,000 shares of this, so I no longer load up on it. $6.98. I got 1,065 shares. Too cheap for me not to add on to it. PFLT. This pays 10 cents a share a month. It's gonna go back above the $11 mark. Get me 1,000 shares of this also. I'm at 99, so about to get my first 100. GSBD. Goldman Sachs BDC. Nice quarterly payout. It was 40 cents a share. I think it's like 34 cents, but they paid the extra dividend out. Definitely gonna get some of that. TCPC. All right, BlackRock BDC 860, 658 is that. Then this pay like 15 cents a share quarterly, I want to say. All right, we about to get to some weekly pairs. YMAX 1322, 1601. See, I got like 32 bucks for this week. Do my $3 to $5 a day. But I'm putting some in the YMAG too. Bring down this cost and accumulate. So I pitch if I do, that's $3 a day each. That's $6 a day. Times 5 days be 30 bucks. So that one play paid for both of them. That's how you want to have it, where it's funding itself. QQQY. Also pays out weekly. And it's climbing on up. $3 worth. Just in case some bad news come out and it crash, I can go back to doing 5 to 10 bucks. IWMY. Also pays out weekly. Options on the Russell 2000. All right, IWMY also pays out weekly. Man, you'll be good if you can get a share of this every day at the daily low. Dollar cost averaging on in. Man, you'll have some real cash flow coming in. QDTE also pays out weekly. It's at 32. I'm at 36. XDTE also pays out weekly. Going to get some of that. Ticker KHC at 28.51. Like this at 29 and under. All right, VTRS. Beatrice. Ride this on up. This definitely still in buy range. USOI. Trouble calls on oil. $10 a day on that. Need to bring down that average cost. I don't even think I got 100 shares of this yet. Nope, 37. So definitely get that. MFA Financial. HPP. One y'all can stay out of. I'm riding this on up so I can get out of this trade also. 225. It's going to go back above the $3 mark. NLY, Annaly. 1927. I need to lower my average cost. I'm going to get $10 worth. It's definitely a banger quarterly paying REIT. Dividend yield 13.72%. Market cap 11.5 billion. Got to have that. 52-week low 22.21. CIM, Shamera Investments. So one I need to come down in. Nice quarterly REIT pair. AFCG. To ride this up, this one I am going to dump. Want a nice swing. This will be one. Nice dividend too. DEA. Another one that was down. Lower my average cost on this one. I'm at 30, is at 20. Western Union, which is a sleeper. 979, I'm at 11.71. Got to take advantage of this 10 and under. Nike. Nike at 57.76. Get $10 worth of that. Had to bring that cost down. It's another one I'm a dump. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of that food and the grocery and food and apparel. BGS. Another one been getting railroaded. Nice dividend yield. Time to get in on that one. Nice starting position price. PSTL. I know y'all like, man, this guy got a bunch of stocks. Yeah. Yes, I do. But like I said, I'm gonna do some cleaning up on some of them though. I got my players. Like I said, the market has changed, coming out with yield max ETFs and other different stuff that never existed since I started trading, that I have been buying. Oaktree Lending. So yeah, when times change, you got to change and adjust to it, man. But y'all see the results on the dividends. All right, that's everything on my list. Like I said, you can watch the whole video, at least get the list. I know some of y'all working, can't watch everything. Just about to go on through the portfolio. PSEC, I need to add on this because it's definitely in buy range. Need to come on down. 354. Pays out monthly. 4.5 cents a share. I think this trade 24 hours though. Nope, just extended. Definitely time to come down to this. Let's look at the 52-week low, just 339. So yeah. AGNC got that. Main I should get out of. Ooh, Newtek 1 down 6.24%. Got to get that. Excuse me. This one I'm gonna exit too. Leggett & Platt had good earnings. 939. Actually kind of high, like around that $8 mark. Let's see what's gonna happen with it. Let's get that anyway today. Granite Point, I did get some of this today. I had an order that got filled. $1.90. Need to come down to this one. Got a nice dividend. Only question is it sustainable? That this market coming back down, at least just for the day. So ain't never load up on anything. Just pay 10 cents a share a month. This one I could let really ride. And be having good earnings also. All right, let me get the pets and land. 361. At 360 today. Get the Gladstone land. Pays out monthly like a 6% yielder. Need to lower my average cost below this $10 mark. This is a REIT. They rent out farmland to investors, the farmers. Charge point, got to get that. Know how I left that off my list. Buying shares. That, give me 5 shares of that. That's definitely gonna be a banger when this turn around. Goro, I got a sell order in at 71 cents. Get my money back on that. RPT down 2.05%. 419 I'm at. It's at 286 today. Just buy this in dollars, not sell. Sorry, buy. All right, back at RPT. Come on down in this one. BLV, DHS, ABR, got that. Got BGS, Intel down 1.41. It's interesting to see where the chip market going to go, man. Being that China gonna create their own chips, man, and this tariff war we got against each other. All the other nations seem like they're trying to get along and move forward without the America. So it's interesting to see how this is gonna work. All right, Lionel Basel, $56, 9% yield. Need to bring my average cost down to there, $10 worth. That's definitely a buy and hold stock. AFCG, IVR. This one I can come down in also, IVR. Probably another one I'm going to get rid of. Think they lowered their dividend from 40 cents to 34 cents or something last quarter, this quarter. GSBD got that, OCSL, that's Oak Tree Lending. New York Mortgage Trust, 662, I'm at 894. Another one to come down in. APLY, Apple getting beat up, Amazon getting beat up. Time to attack this and add some shares on. These pay out monthly. TSLY down 2.27%. That at a little discount. That's one I do like. Still out of yield maxes. YBit down 2.7%. Still ain't got my 100 shares yet. Pays out monthly also. Sons is a REIT. Two. Hold on, I'm up now, so I ain't got to bother that. XD, TD, QDTs, got all that. SCHD, SCHG, I got them on $1 a day reinvestment. Got USOY, York Water, I'm up. To SVOL, 27 cents a share a month, $16.92. I'm at $16.34. Add some of this on. This got a 52-week high of $23. So this still in buy range. DEAOMAH. That's the new one I add. Warren Buffett added. All right, y'all. That's it. One more play. The add-on. I did not do Wendy's. No, I forgot that, but I just looked at the paper. $12.72, $14.60. Definitely get down in that. All right, y'all. Enjoy your day. Sorry for the long trade, but it is what it is. We're going to get this money. Signing off, man. Go get your money. Enjoy your day. Stay safe out there.